Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
But now let's see if I can make this putt.
It goes way up over a hill, a big knob.
Yeah, I'm looking at that.
But mine was straight, but I was more left. I think, oh goddamn, the dog is dog. Get off of me.
All right, here's the tail of the tape. I hit it. It had green lights on it all the way. Oh, it spun out.
Oh shit.
It was too much and it went around the hole.
So it was too powerful, I guess.
Yeah, too powerful. Too much oomph. But anyways, it's that I didn't record the tee shot, but I recorded the putt.
Yeah.
I got a 1059 for a birdie.
What's leading your bracket right now?
Oh, let me look. Let's see. View standings. I'm in 16th. 14, Lee Trevino and Kool-Aid.
Yeah. I think a 14 is going to be a pretty easy score to get, honestly.
Yeah, he got a 923 on he drove the green, got a 923, then got a 1700 on the second hole. So let's see.
I got a 1768.
On the second hole?
Yeah. I fucked up.
Is it drop? I mean, can you get the drop on it?
I should have overpowered my tee shot to get me on up. My second, my Hellfire.
Yeah.
My approach shot, I was landing right at the edge of the green. That's as far as I could reach. You know what I'm saying?
So
I had to adjust I still had to adjust backspin to like all back but a bar and a half.
Yeah.
And I should have just allowed one bar of backspin left, all but one bar, and I didn't because I was scared I wasn't going to reach it because there's a hill right there where the flagship was like on top of a little knob, it looked like, and I was afraid I was going to leave it short. And the damn thing I rode true, it went straight over the freaking flagstick and went past.
Yeah, I just hit mine in the rough. I missed the damn ultimate again. Motherfucker.
That sucks.
Well, I'm switching. I'm not hitting this damn voodoo. That's for damn sure. Fucking, I can get to the.
Long ass par 5 too.
Wait.
It's droppable though.
Well, but I got voodoo. I got gearhead, and it gives me top spin.
Yeah.
But I don't know how much. But anyways, I'm gonna hit it and see where the fuck it takes me. I know what to do next time.
Yeah.
I didn't get to try to get the drop, but I'm gonna try to get it up and down for eagle.
For an eagle anyway, yeah.
Yeah.
Is there some pretty strong guys in your bracket or?
Not really. Kool-Aid, he's good, but he's not great. So this thing is really undulated. And it's got me, I think it, so that if you hit it in the rough, I'm in no adjust range right now, so we're going to see how true this is.
Okay.
And it's on video, so we'll see. Let's see what happens here. I got ultimate. It's racing towards the hole. It's going like a freight train. Boom. It went in. Yeah. Yeah, it's all on video, so. But yeah, I tried to, I was going to hit the ultimate shot with full overpower, and I screwed the pooch on that one. Now, this one's a short par 4, it looks like.
I messed up. I had a headwind on that next one.
Yeah, I've got a headwind too, so I'm laying up.
Well, I did. And I left it a little freaking, I was right at the hole on max Bigfoot, so I couldn't get my adjustment because I had a headwind on my approach shot too.
Uh-huh.
I used a Pegasus.
Well,
$897.
you got to put, on mine, you got to put full topspin on to get it even to max Bigfoot.
Yes. And mine still showed short on mine. I didn't overpower though. You know what thing. I should overfire.
Yeah.
And, but anyway.
I'm going to see where this puts me. I forgot to switch balls. I'm still playing that damn A-flat.
Oh, shit. You ought to be able to get Bigfoot easy. Lower wind, you know.
It's got me with Hellfire. There's Bigfoot. So let's see how close I am to... And what I've been doing, Chris, is taking a bar of backspin off on Bigfoot. Okay, I'm at max Bigfoot right now. So I don't know if I can use... Yeah, I'm going to have to switch to Peggy too, or lightning rod.
Yeah, that's a long-ass par 4.
But I got, with Peggy, I use full backspin because I want that sumbitch to go in the hole.
Yeah. I was fucking short. I had a headwind. It was more like a 2 to 7 or 2 to 6, 2 to 7, I guess, wind, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that,
and see what I'm doing with Peggy is I get down low.
Yeah.
And you'll see it on the video where I'm coming into this thing and looking at it from the ground level. And I'm into the wind, so I'm going to play that. And on Peggy, max Peggy, you're going to go +2 on your pull.
Okay.
So my wind's 2.5. I'm going to pull 2.7.
Okay.
So let's see. 2.7 is about right there. And let's see if I can hit this bitch in the hole. Oh, I hit great. You cocksucker. Go in the hole, bitch. Yes, sir!
That makes up for that hole one, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that was fun. So my score is 1059, 999, 999.
Hell yeah.
Now I'm on the par 3.
I use Bigfoot on it.
Okay, I'm going to switch to Bigfoot. Did you get the drop on it?
I did.
Okay, so you've probably straightened your guide up. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to look and see. I'm going to change balls now. I'm going to go with...
TP ball is what I did. But...
Well, I'll do the TP ball.
And I had a wind. It was sort of a headwind.
Yeah, mine's at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
So it's 30 degrees. I'll triangulate this for you. So right now I can see that this is going to go to the right.
Yep.
Just from looking at it. And it's got a real long...
bar. Yeah. It's downhill.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing is I'm looking at it. Oh, yeah. Did you put your tip close to the hole?
No, I pulled it back to the. It ain't gonna help you much, but I pulled mine back just to say it was like a foot in real time from the hole.
That's where mine is right now.
Okay, I pulled mine to the edge of that next ring is what I did. Because I was like, I don't remember. I don't remember exactly where the first bounce was going to be. You know, it looked like, but it was.
Well, the first bounce on this one, it's right. You know it's the third ring. It's the outer part of the third ring.
Yep. And I went all the way to the next ring. I think it was like a foot back.
A foot back. Well, I'm what's.
I just realized mine's a natural golf. What I think is a foot back.
Well, yeah. If
I don't use the ring shit, I just can't adjust with it.
This is probably less than a foot, but I'll pull it back just a little bit.
Yeah.
To make it a foot back. And it didn't.
I'll tell you this, mine was still a little hot. And when it come in, it went around the freaking flag spin and rolled in the other side of the hole.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
So I'm putting that back to right there. Let me see let me find out where my max is first.
Mine was 18 something.
Oh, that's way the hell up there.
Yeah, it's way out there.
Oh, no, I'm just going to go +4.
Yeah, mine was 18 something.
I could triangulate this, but I guess I will just for the sake of doing it. Okay, so there's max. There's 10. Come on, you retarded finger. And you said yours was 18?
It was 18 something.
Yeah, this is going to be closer to if I'm doing this right, it's on that ring there, so that's I'm into so 8 I'm at 19.3
Okay.
using Jordan's counting. I mean, counting the the rings is one. The core is 2.4.
Yeah.
So now that I'm looking at this, it looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in because I'm at the very edge of the 10th ring, or where it'll be 9. We would say 9, but it's actually because the outer edge of the frost ring is actually 8.4.
Right.
And then it goes 9.3, and then 1.1 is 10.4. Okay, so I'm at 19.3. We're going to put that in there. And then I'm at 4-mile-an-hour headwind. So I got 3.19. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to triangulate this. And I'm going to put it in my handy-dandy triangle calculator. So we said that that's 8 o'clock, so that's 30-degree headwind. And it was 3.19.
Yep.
Yeah, so 3.19. Oh, you stupid ass. 30 degrees. 3.19 and hit done. So it's going to be 1.59 is what I'm going to subtract from 19.3. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to take 19.3 minus 1.59, and that's going to equal 17.71. Hit that. So I've got a 3.2 is going to be my pull. Okay.
Okay.
So now we're going to go into the game. That looks good. We're going to pull 3.2. See how accurate. Using the correct number of rings. So that's 2.4. That's 3.3. So there's going to be 3.2 right there. And make sure that's straight. Your wind arrow. So we're going to pull it to right there and stop. And let's play the shot. Got one spin of backspin off. I'm seeing if this is going to go in. I hit great again. You retarded monkey. No, I missed it left because I hit left great.
Really?
Yeah.
How was your rollout?
I was short, and it's because of the when you hit great, you don't get as much of spin as you would.
Okay.
with ultimate.
Okay.
So we learned a lesson there. Don't do that. Hit ultimate, you dumb shit. Now I'm on that par 4 that you're on 5.
Okay.
And I've got a 4-mile-an-hour headwind.
Yeah.
Did you have a headwind too?
I do. Mine's angled 5 to like 11 again, I think. Let me look back and see. See if I can look back and see.
So with what I'm looking at, I mean,
mine's like a 7 to 2 or 3.
it's all downhill, Chris. Is it going? It's a tailwind.
Yes.
Okay, so if you take it and play it, and see where that guide's going,
Yeah.
you've got it's a very narrow window, but if that guide, if you hit ultimate, then it'll take you to the green.
Okay.
Because where mine is, and I haven't even put on any. Oh, wait a minute. I can get there to.
You can get there in gimme range, I know.
I can get there in gimme range just with the TP ball.
Yes. Yes.
So let me go ahead and put a little spin on it.
I've done that plus a 20% is what I had on mine, but I hadn't taken a shot yet. So.
Okay, so I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it up this way just a bit, right there. And since I've got a 4-mile-an-hour headwind, and I'm playing the TP ball just like you, okay. So I got a 3.25 adjustment to pull, which it's going to be like showing red the whole time I'm pulling.
Right.
So there's 3.2 again. Pull that thing all the way up there like that. And then I'm going to hit ultimate. Got ultimate, baby. Woohoo! Let's go. Where you going to end up, boy? I'm in the rough by the green.
So you got to give me range in.
Well, I'm not playing gearhead, that's for damn sure. So I had 3 bars of right spin on.
Yeah.
And I probably should have just left it because it kicked me into the rough.
So it kicked you right.
Kicked me right, yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna see if I can make this drop. Well, it's a long one. I'm gonna have to make an adjustment, I think. Yeah. So my avatar, let me see if you can see this. Let me get the camera on.
Okay.
All right, can you see that?
I can.
So what is that for my adjustment?
I would use that as like a 7. 7%.
7%?
Yep. Because 10 is fast, your avatar.
Yeah.
And 5 is down at the bottom of your avatar.
All right, let me put in. And what are you putting in times the
2.3?
2.3?
3.35, ain't that right?
3.35 times 7%, 0.7. And then times 4.3. That gives me 1 ring.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
So I orient this. So is your Ellie sleeping or is she up moving?
I had to come outside with her.
Oh, here's my Ellie, look.
see her.
Oh yeah, I see her.
Quit. She's a handful.
Did,
I don't like the puppy stage. I'm ready to get out of this stuff.
is that snow on the ground?
No, it's rock in the flower bed.
Oh, rock in the flower bed. Okay.
Yeah. I got rid of the mulch a few years ago.
Hey, did you take Baltimore last night or whatever?
Yeah, I did.
I did too. I read the report, and I went, I'm an idiot if I take freaking the Saints.
Yep. That's what I did. I went in and looked up what the bookies was doing. You know what I mean? It was supposed to have been a tight game. I don't know what they ended up doing, but I didn't watch it all.
Yeah.
I fell asleep.
All right, here we go. Got ultimate. Is it going to go in? It did. It missed. It missed. Yeah, it hit the 893. I had it a little bit too close. I should have backed it up a little bit, but that was definitely going in.
So it come in a little hot then.
Yeah, it came in a little hot, but hey, ultimate, it was smoking.
Yeah.
All right, so now the next one. I'm 7 under after 5. So I think the cut was 11. Let me see real quick. The cut is... There ain't no cut.
There ain't no cut line?
Oh, the cut... Well, there's a cut line, but I'm past it.
Okay.
Right now, it's going to be... I'm guessing 13. I still got a shot at 14, I think.
I seen Travis say something about the last 2 or 3 holes or 4 holes or something ought to be easy drops or something.
Well, so 6. Every one of these holes so far has been into the wind for me.
Been headwinds, huh?
Yep. So I'm playing hole 6 now, and I've got to put on a few bars of topspin just to get it to max Bigfoot. And I got ultimate. Well, the good thing is it's being recorded, so anybody can benefit from this.
Right. They can see. They can make the adjustments. Yeah.
So I've got 3.6 headwind at looks like 4 o'clock. I'm going to say it's 33 degree headwind. We're going to put on that 1 bar. We're going to see how close to max I am. So what I found is this. You want to be in that range right there for max. Okay? So I'm within when you pull this back, I'm like five rings from max. Maybe 6. Let me just count it real quick and I'll tell you. There's 4, there's 5. Yeah, I'm 5 rings from max.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm not changing the guide. I'm leaving it just like it is. And so I'm gonna coordinate this. Triangulate this one. So 5 rings. 3.6. That's 331. Now we're going to the calculator. So I said 33 and 3.31. So 1.8 off of 5. So 5 minus 1.8. That's 3.2. So 3.2. That gives me 3.4 pull now. So now what I'm going to do is go down here and look at the hole. And look at it real close. And that ball it's actually going downhill. You see that? I don't know if you can see it.
I can barely see it.
All right.
Okay, I see it now.
Yeah. And so I might back that up or just leave it right there. Because that wind's going to shorten that guide up immensely. So I might just put it in the hole. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I've been coming up short a couple of times. I mean, too many more times than I care to want.
Yeah.
And we're just going to experiment and see. So I'm pulling 3.4, which we'll see what happens here. So 3.4 is going to be, and I'm going to blow this up a bit. So that's 3.3. That's 3.4 right there. Come on, you smoking jackass. Well, I can't get it on the line where I want it to be on the line. Okay, I got it now. 3.4. So that's 3.3. It's on the edge of that one right there. So we're going to go to that edge right there. All right, let's see what happens. Man, I hit great again. I cannot hit ultimate. I made it. Got the drop.
Hell yeah.
Yep. And it was the right move by pushing it a little bit forward. Otherwise, I'd end up...
Right towards the hole? Right in the hole?
I put it on the edge of the hole.
Okay.
Yep. I'm 9 under.
What was your head? What was your win?
It was
3 point something. I can't remember.
it's 3.6.
Okay.
All right, I'm on the par 3. No, I'm on the par 4. This one looks... This is another one. I'm going to see what this looks like going forward here. No, this is one you could probably take on, but you'd have to use, let me look at this here. So if you use the power pin for the ball, and it's the gold one, you're going to have to factor in the percentage that it gives the power to the ball.
Okay.
Because you'll miss the drop for sure. And the same thing goes for the power on the clubs.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm putting in this right here to see how far this is going to get me. And this gets me... Check this out. You see that?
I do.
That gets me real close to where I could get a drop. And I could move it. We zoom this in. It's still going to put me where I'm going to have to adjust for a hive.
Yeah.
So when I bring it back... Okay. Well, it's the first round. We're going to try it. And I think if I use the top spin instead of this right here, if I go with the top spin, which I don't think I have very many of those left.
That 20% top spin one?
No, it's 30%.
30%.
Yeah. I may not want to use this because it gives me a lot of top spin. I got to go back here.
That motherfucker look like El Capo.
Well, it's better. See, you can't use the club all stats.
Yeah.
The all stats puts me closer. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean it.
It won't let you piggyback because I've tried to.
No, I wish it would, because man, then you'd be on the green.
Yeah.
I'd have to hit full overpower to get where the all stats would put me. So I'm going back to the all stats. Swap pin, remove that one. And we're going to go to. Now, what you can do. So remember, the all stats, it's going to boost the wedges too.
That's true.
Okay. So you gotta put that in. That 20, that plus 20 is 20%.
Yeah.
So let me look at this, because there's another pin I can use where it's just the drivers. Let's see. Yeah, drivers in woods multi stats, and only boost it by 8%.
Yeah.
So let me remove that and see what that does for me. Let's see where it puts me. If it puts me in the same. Oh, wait a minute. It puts me about the same place, but I would have a longer shot to play.
Right.
I'm not sure I want to do that. Yeah, I'm going to go back to the one that I'll just have to adjust for the. I'll just have to adjust for the. Oh shit! I forgot to remove the damn thing. That's what I hate. They got to fix this where you got to go back and back and back.
Yep. I've wasted I don't know how many pins, but I'm not freaking removing the damn things.
Oh yeah. So see, when I go, I want to get this thing positioned where it's going to. Right there, I'm going to go with that. So 4.2, 3.41, and it's a crosswind, so I'm going to pull 3.4. And I'm pulling off into the water. So there's 3.3. There's 3.4. I think it was right there. Yep. There we go. All right, here we go. We're going to try to hit ultimate for you. I got great again. Dadgummit. There it goes. Boing, boing, boing. Oh no. Went in the rough. Dang it.
Shit.
Well, I'm up by the. Now remember, I've got 20% I've got to add to this voodoo.
Okay.
So I got to figure this one out here, because it's a long one. I mean, it's like.
It's gonna be adjustment. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a major adjustment, because I'm pulling it off the green and it's going every which way. Let me see if I can put some spin on to the right. Okay, so I'm adding right side spin to counter. Let's see what that looks like. My gosh, that thing is way. I got to pull it back a little bit. These are the ones I don't like messing with.
Yeah. Yeah. You think, what the hell did I do that for?
Come on, you cocksucker. Oh, I like that one right there. Yeah, I like that. That's good. Okay, so now it gives me can you see my avatar?
Barely. I do. That's between a 10 and a 15, ain't it?
I'm gonna say it's I'm gonna say the 10 is where it's more closer to the center, right?
Yes. Yep. And the 15's up almost to the white line of your avatar.
Oh, so the top edge of it is what you're talking about.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna say it's a 10 then.
Okay.
And we gotta do. How do we do the 20%? Oh, I know what to do. Get the pull and multiply it by
Add 20% to it.
add 20%. Let's do that. So, it's 15% or 10% is what we said, right?
Yeah.
So 3.35 times 0.1 is 0.335 times 4.1. That equals, what the hell? That was wrong. 335 times, it don't, I got to do that again because that was not right. All right, times 4.1 equals, so it's 1.375. Now times 20%.
I would think so.
So what I did is I did 1.375, 1.3735 times the 20%, and that gave me 0.2747. I need to add to the 1.3. So let me just round this. So let's do 1.4. Let me clear that. So 1.4 times 20%, 0.28 to 1.4. That sounds more right. Plus 1.4 equals 1.68, so 1.7.
Okay.
So we're going to pull 1.7 rings. And this is all on...
Not a long pull, though. You know what I'm saying? Make them.
Yeah, this is all on video, too, now. So the gang can view this and go, well, if he made that drop, I can make that drop.
Yep.
So 1.7. All right, so we got, there's 1.1. There's 4. That's going to be about 1.7 right there. With everything the way I pulled it. So let's see. Got ultimate. And that thing is going. It's tracking. It's tracking. It's tracking. It's tracking. Oh! It was going in the... It went by the hole. It was
It's too hot.
too hot.
Did it go over the hole?
It went right by the hole.
Oh.
Yeah, you'll see it on the video. I mean, it's... The main thing that has to happen, though, is you've got to hit ultimate on this tee shot.
Yeah.
If you hit great and you got any spin on it, it's going to kick you to the bunker.
Okay.
I think I'm good, though. I mean, I'm at 10 under right now. I don't care about the Legacy Golf Tour. I'm playing golf, you see? Okay, so now I'm on the par 3. It's across the water. And I've got a tailwind, and I've got Bigfoot that's maxed. And oh my gosh, you ought to see this, Chris. Look at this. Look at this guide. See that?
I do.
See how much it's breaking?
I do. Yes.
So it's gonna when I go down and look, oh, I see what it is. This is what Travis was talking about. It's gonna kick off that hill and go that way.
Go left.
Yeah. So I'm just for grins, I'm gonna play Bigfoot. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna take and put some spin off. Put some backspin on. I'm gonna try to make this bad boy. So there's Max. I'm going to pull it back a little bit more. So that looks good right there. That might be a little hot, so we'll see. I got a tailwind. So I might put another bar back on. Because that 3.7, if I put that 3 that's almost, so that's where that's going to be right there. And I want to be on the outer edge of this hole. And we already know I'm at max. And because it's such a break on it, yeah, you're going to have to allow for that break. So I'm going to put those 2 bars back on. Because the push, it's going to push it this way.
Okay.
I'm going to triangulate. We're going to go like that. So we're going to go, I think I was at max. Yeah, I'm like, because that's 1 point, we're going to say, that's 0.7. I'm 0.7 rings on this with 3.7 wind, so that's 357. I've got a tailwind that's not quite 230. It's closer to, so that's going to be, what's that going to be? So 2 o'clock. That's going to be a 33 tailwind that's going to go the other direction. So I'm going to go to the calculator. Now this is where I'm going to not subtract, but I'm going to add because it's going to push it farther. So we got a 33 degree, 3.57. So 1.94 we're going to add to this 0.7. So that's going to make it 0.7 plus 1.94. So 2.64 is what I'm going to put now into the Excel. So I'm pulling 3.5. Okay. Let's see if this baby goes in. I'm damn sure going to hit ultimate this time. So we know there's 3.3. And another thing too is you're pulling downhill, so you're going to have to, I'm going to have to jerry it forward a bit. So there's, man, this thing's whopper jaw too. It's warped. So that's 2.4. That's 3.3. 3.4, 3.5. We're going to pull it down. 3 point. Now what I have to do, because it's so low,
Yeah.
is I'm going to move it about, because it's going to land shorter than I want it to. Come on, man, line up. There we go. I'm going to blow it up this way, pull it forward, get it straight again. It's like getting the gun sights lined up, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then pull it forward. I'm trying to get it lined up on that center line. Because when I pull it and move it forward, it's got to stay on that line. So we're going to move it about right there. All right, here we go. Is he got what it takes to do it, folks? Let's see. I hit great again. Dadgummit. Gonna learn. Oh, man. That was close. You'll see it on the video.
Okay.
I mean, it was going in the hole. It was just too hard.
Yeah.
I needed to have it further back is what I needed to have a little more spin put on it.
Okay.
I had 3 bars of back spin taken off. So I'm at 11. And 14's leading. So if I get an Albie, I'll be tied.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm playing the TP ball too. This looks like it's pretty long. And it's another headwind. Dadgummit. I'm just going to play it. You got to take it across the water.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Well, your second shot is. So let's see where this puts me. Well, it put me way down there. I didn't hit ultimate. I hit great. 333 yards. I'm 277 to the hole, so I've got to roll it in there. And I can. Putting on full top spin. So the green goes to the right. The when the ball hits, it's showing going to the right. So you got to put on some left spin. I've got 2, 4, 6 bars of left side spin on there.
Holy crap.
Yeah. I'm going to leave it just like that. We're going to see where it takes me. I'm going to go, because I'm at max, I'm going to pull 3.4 bars. Or rings, should I say. So there's 3.3. There's 3.4. Now I'm going to try to hit ultimate this time. I'm not doing any special anything. I got ultimate. We'll just see what happens. Oh, it's going, and it's bounding, and it's rolling, and it's going to need some help. It's 12:33.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
What, you use a Hellfire?
Yeah.
What do you got, about a 60-foot putt? 50
I
foot?
55. I'm trying to get it to get on the thinking flag.
Bunch of break on it, I guess. Wow.
It does. I wish this damn thing would stay still. I missed it. Yeah, I missed it. Fucking ass bitch. I hate it when I miss a putt.
I do too. Especially if you drive the green on one on a par 4. You freaking me. I've done that.
Yeah, well, I'm replaying this son of a bitch.
Yeah.
So I ended up with 12 under. Piece of shit. I'm in 13th place, but it's going to have to be replayed because there's Webo's in there. Let's see who else is in here. Murray Whiskey Business is in there. The Junt, he's good. He's going to be up there, 15 under. So we know my score could have been a lot lower.
Yeah.
So 14, that 14 is not going to stand. It's somebody going to shoot a 16 or 17 on this.
Yeah, I'd say so.
From what I'm seeing. So, but anyways, I stopped.